Good morning, Hollywood Hill. How are you today? I hope that you had a great weekend. I heard that some of our baseball and softball friends may have found out this weekend that they made All-Stars. Congratulations to you. I would love to hear about it and find out when your games will be so I can attend. Additionally, our UW softball team did lose this weekend after making it to the Final Four. And I have it on good information that one of our amazing players is going to make a trip here to visit us next week. So stay tuned for that. Super exciting. Additionally, we have our fifth graders are going on a field trip this week to Safeco Field. Whoopsie daisy. It's called T-Mobile Park now, for a weather field trip as well as a baseball game. So that's super exciting. As well as I think our fifth graders, some of them are going to get a visit from their middle school leaders who help them understand what middle school is going to be about. So that is an exciting week. And maybe kindergarten's going to the library on Friday. So it's really important on all these things that you are representing how we are at Hollywood Hill and how we are safe, respectful, and responsible at all times. No adult birthdays this week, but there's a pretty fun one next week. Kid birthdays this week are Zane in Miss Court's class, Ariel in Miss Talbot's class, Nathan in Miss Court's class, both Brooklyn and Kaylee in Miss Lamba's class, Haley in Mrs. Kumar's class, Jaylee in Mrs. Court's class, Leon in Miss Lamba's class. Some of those classes have a lot of birthdays this week. Mariah in Mrs. Shock's class, as well as Aiden Peterson in Miss Raleigh's class, Flora in Miss Zimmerman's class, and Teague in Mrs. Shock's class. I hope you guys all have a great birthday week. I hope that you remember that you make Hollywood Hill a great place to be. Continue to be safe, respectful, and responsible. See you later.